Peace. What's going on with your good people? You should already know you back with your homeboy, Wrench Turner. What's going on with you this morning, though? How's your morning going? Hopefully, nothing drastic has happened. Hopefully, nothing has caused you pain or anguish, right? And look at it on the bright side. You're here with me right now. You already seen the thumbnail, man. Let's run it. Run my intro. Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling heavy.
Feeling real heavy.
Lights down low. It's C4, baby. It's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
So, I felt as if, it was about time to have this conversation because I have people to ask me, yo, how you get so many views on a video? You know what I mean? Like, what did you do? Several people, because as you guys seen by the thumbnail, how do you get a lot of views on a video? I could sit here and say I don't know, right? But that's not true. Let me get down to it. Like other people told me, it's certain factors that go into getting views. Thumbnail. Creating a catchy thumbnail that'll catch somebody's eye and make them want to click on it. Now, I have a thought process when it comes down to thumbnails, because you can make a thumbnail and, like other people, they call it clickbaiting. My thing is just right here. If you real in real life, I understand the thing of clickbaiting to get people to click on the video. But I'm just like, if you real, why would you cap? You know what I'm saying? Like, if you real, why would you fake? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. That's kind of how I look at clickbaiting. And I've always had a certain view on it. So, as you can see with my thumbnail, you know what I mean? If you're watching this video right now, you like, oh, where's the car at? It's not about the car. Well, kind of, it was about the car because the car made people click on the video. Man, to be honest with you, at this point in my YouTube career, I don't know exactly what I did to make my Lexus video get almost 12,000 views. I really don't. We shot the video, had great people on set, no issues, everything was kosher. Fucking crazy, man. But they like, okay, let's get it. Riding down Austin, damn near flossing. Better watch out, boy, that nigga there bossing. Smoke till my lips fall off, I know it's my fault. The coupe got cat eyes, I like to pop a top off. Banging new seat, hard trunk the beat. Got the rim shined up and I'm low in the seat. German shoes, German whip, even got a German clip. For that nigga wanna jokes, cause they drive a piece of shit. Been holding my own, 6 cross color clothes. Ain't the flame llama, man, kicking down doors. Call of Duty pimpin', we a world at war. So I keep a few revolvers, clips and more. Look, when them doors go up, them hoes show up. I'm an easy target, near easy fuck. Car hoppers at the bus stop, her and a friend. What you do, you keep it pimpin', bitch, get in. They like, puffin' green, blowing trees, selling, yeah, we be getting it in, boys. I be doing so hard you can't get in the paper. She like, he like, you like, they like. Perfect green, blue and tree selling, yeah, we be getting it in boys and shooters. I be doing so hard you can't get in the paper. She like, he like, you like, they like.
Moving through the crowd like I'm tall as Shaq. Hennessy in me, I feel taller than that. Club hop till I'm done, not as short as you want. Make a nigga night in early, low on funds. Politicking with your son, mother, yes it's...
When it came down to doing the particulars to put it on YouTube, I didn't even know half of everything that I know now. Dead ass. So when I'm using tags, when I'm checking for things that people are searching for and things like this, I didn't do none of that then. None of it. So it's like now I'm at a point where I'm checking all of these things, what's trending, you know, SEO. My thumbnails are good now, you know what I mean? Like, so I'm just looking at everything I'm doing now, like, okay, I wasn't doing half of this then, so how did I make it work? Or I didn't make it work. Something had to occur to whereas the video got, I don't know, put in somebody's rotation or something, because the video that's in question, my Lexus video, the 2013, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know, man. I don't know what has occurred. If you know what happened, let me know. If you are a YouTuber, let me know what happened, because I know you regular people that don't do YouTube, you have no idea what I'm talking about. This is why I'm having this discussion with you, so that for the people that's wanting to do YouTube, maybe this will help somebody down the line. I'm still trying to figure it out, man. I think about a lot of this stuff day in and day out, so I try to figure it out. I am going to figure it out, because I'm just that type of individual. Like, I don't like being not in the know. I like to know how everything works. So yeah, I am going to figure it out, and when I figure it out, I'll be alright. I will feel a hell of a lot better about doing YouTube, because I want to know how everything works, and, you know, be able to put out videos and feel like they're not falling on deaf ears. You feel me? So yo, this is my video. I will check you guys later, and I hope that you guys will go back and check out my old videos, you know what I mean? Because 230 videos, I think I got something to say without being repetitive. Maybe, just maybe. But I talk to you guys real soon. This is your homeboy on the tap in. Make sure that you keep your head up, keep your chin up. Remember, somebody loves you, and all of that good stuff, all right? I talk to you guys real soon. Let's turn out.